Hi, my name is Monty Rowland. I'm with Simply Us Farm. And what we're looking at right now is how you would walk up to the campsite from the field 1 and 2. So this is the back field. So kind of turning around. Here's the campsite. So the name of this campsite is middle of the field, literally. So what we're eventually aiming for is to where you've got something growing all around you that grows somewhere else on the farm. So you can see some elephant ears that we'll see how they do. We've got Sudan grass mix. Plant is in the summer to hopefully have sunflowers. See how that goes. And then here is pawpaw tree. So we're starting to create a border. I want to have a border around the campsite that represents the farm. Here's a fig tree that just went in. And here's elderberries. We'll see how some of these do out in this field. Well, as we continue to come around, I hope to put a mulberry tree out here, put a hazel tree out here. But eventually you walk out, there's blueberries. And so you kind of camp right here. And there's room for you to enjoy this field. Raise this up a little bit. You can see around there's the rest of the field. This will all be in cover crop hopefully soon. But this is the campsite that is called middle of the field. Literally, as you walk into the campsite or as you leave, you'll have pecan trees growing on either side. And it's quiet and peaceful out here. There's plenty of room to camp. I'm hoping that at some point we'll have a situation where there's something blooming most of the year. We'll bring some goji berries up here, some blueberries up here. This is this little microcosm of the whole farm. I hope you can come join us. We just had a cyclist that was riding from Apex, Holly Springs area to Charlotte and stopped here about 50 miles and then is riding today to Uwharrie and camping in Uwharrie and stopping there and then riding on to Charlotte. So this is what you'd see as you're leaving the campsite. Here's kind of another view looking back across the field. It is quiet and peaceful. So I hope you'll come join us and enjoy our farm. And maybe we can meet if we're here when you're here. But either way, at night it's super quiet. You can see the leaves are starting to fall down on the road. And this is a road you would walk to this campsite. It's a walk-to campsite. We have places to camp closer to the driveway. But this one's a little more of a joy. It's in the middle of the field. Through the woods, over the river and through the woods. To the field we go. This is Monty Rowland, signing off.